Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie again. Last time I showed you how to copy and paste a picture of your schedule into a page on It's Learning, but you can also insert an image by looking through your files on your computer, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go back into my schedule content block, and I'm going to let it load. Alright, so I'm going to select this picture and I'm going to click backspace. So if I wanted to put this picture of the schedule in here, I would come right here to this little icon that says image. So I would click on image. I would click on upload and insert. And you can see these are other pictures that I have already uploaded onto It's Learning. So they are saved within my library for me. So I'm going to go to upload and insert. You're going to want to choose file. And I'll go to my pictures. I will scroll through, and there it is, third grade master schedule, open. And remember, you do have to scroll down to click on upload and insert. And there is my schedule. Click OK. And there it is again. So that is the second way that you can put an image into a content block on a page in It's Learning.